Power Station.
The Obie and Little Sean Morning Show. What it is with Esty. What it is.
Power 95.3.
Big ups. We got about 9 minutes before you get hooked up with $2,100 if you know that Power 95.3 secret sound. But before that, news, gossip, entertainment, the latest.
All right, what it is with Kim Kardashian and her exes. If you would love to just think about it and go down the list, feel free to do so.
Okay.
All right, which one of Kim Kardashian's exes is engaged?
Reggie Bush.
No.
Chris Humphries.
No. It looks like Ray J. I'm just cutting you off. We'll be
see,
here
I
all
had
day.
9 more to go.
No, Ray J is engaged. A few of my friends in Hollywood, they told me that he popped the question over the weekend to his girlfriend, longtime girlfriend. She's a model, Mia Milano, very pretty girl too. Now, Mia and Ray, they've been dating for years, but off and on, so we haven't heard much about her. But it looks like with the death of Whitney Houston, February 11th of this year, Whitney and Ray J were really good friends. He really fell into a deep depression. And this girl, Mia, she was helping him out, trying to get him out of the depression. Something must have really brought them together, and he realized, you know what, maybe this is the one. So it looks like he did indeed pop the question. Now we just want the wedding date. So we'll see how it all plays out. Hopefully, he did propose. I think it's cute. Yeah, I think it's great.
I guess, you know, the allegations of him being in Down Low Brothers Club, that puts that to rest. Well, not really. Not really.
He could still be there, but
Yeah, he can still be there.
No, but
she
definitely.
could be swinging with him, too.
Yeah, I mean, hey, more power to you. Enjoy life. You need to live it how you want to live it. But congrats to Ray J if you are indeed engaged to his girlfriend again, Mia.
For sure. You know,
Now-
Kim Kardashian needs to kiss that guy's feet. He's responsible for her career taking off so much.
What
she
it
don't have to kiss
is,
anything else.
what it is with Javon Belcher. This story is just so devastating. It hit over the weekend. He played for the Kansas City Chiefs. Now I say played because Javon Belcher is now dead. He committed suicide after killing his girlfriend. He shot and killed her. We don't know what instigated the situation. We do know that they left a 3-month-old baby in the hands of his mother, since he is now dead and the mother, his girlfriend, is now dead. Well, we were wondering what's going to happen with the daughter. You know, where is she going to go? How is she going to be taken care of? His mother's kind of getting up there. She's, older. While the NFL has really stepped up, they've put a nice positive spin to this story. They are going to take care of Javon Belcher's daughter until she graduates high school. They are giving her over like $108,000 a year that'll cover schooling and any other things that the caretaker needs, to take care of her. If she goes to college, they'll go ahead and give her more money. So there is a detail and a breakdown of what they're going to do, but I think it's great the NFL stepped up the way they have.
That's a good look to a tragic story. And man, I'm telling you, domestic violence is getting to a high this year. Don't you think that?
Yeah, I don't know
Hasn't it been
what's happening.
highlighted a lot more? Like a couple of shootings here in town. Even innocent people died, like Gladys.
Yeah.
We have, countless celebrities. Good Lord.
Yeah,
man,
it's really, really scary what's happening. And I don't know. I don't even know how to explain it. Like, I think about it and it's sad. But I do know the NFL, what they're doing is great for this daughter who had nothing to do with the situation. Like you and I were talking. She'll never meet her mother. She'll never meet her father, but at least she'll be taken care of. So
And I feel sorry for the mom, too. She's a grandma. She raised her kids.
Yeah.
And then she was just going to watch her grandkid, and now she has to raise another
to see
kid.
her son shoot
How
his
is she going to
girlfriend
enjoy the rest of her life
and
now?
then kill himself. It's
Wow.
so sad. And we do pay our respects to the Kansas City Chiefs, the whole team, everybody there. Really
And
devastating.
Big thank you to the NFL, for stepping up and
Absolutely.
looking out.
And that's what it is. It's here every 50 after on your Friday with the Obie and Little Sean Show.
And $2,100 coming your way next if you know the Power 95.3 secret sound.
What it is, powered by 1-800-ASK.